Hi everyone, and welcome back to Techie Dialogue. Today, I'll be showing you how to clear the cache in Adobe Photoshop, step by step. Clearing the cache can help speed up Photoshop, free up space, and make your workflow smoother. If you find this tutorial helpful, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel for more Photoshop tips. Alright, let's get started. First, open Photoshop and go to the Edit menu at the top of the screen. Scroll down until you see Purge. Hover over it and you'll see several options: Clipboard, Histories, All, and Video Cache. Now, if you just want to clear something specific, like the clipboard or history, you can choose that option. A pop-up will appear, reminding you that this action can't be undone. Go ahead and click OK to confirm. To clear more cache all at once, you can select Purge All. This option will remove everything from the clipboard, history, and video cache in one go, freeing up even more space. If you've been working with videos in Photoshop, you may want to clear just the video cache. To do this, go back to Edit, Purge, and then select Video Cache. Like before, confirm by clicking OK when the warning box pops up. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.